Good morning everyone. So it's currently like 6:30, it's not too late and we're about to wake up Elijah and we're going to Sunshine Coast and we're going to a bird sanctuary today and it's like 2 hours away, so come along on this journey.
Good morning, sweetie pie.
Hey baby. Bit early, you woke up after 5 yesterday. So.
Good morning.
Let's go! Is that your bag? Yeah, cars. Ready? Why are you upset? Don't worry, when we get there you won't be upset. High five? We're here. We're here. 2 hours later and we have arrived. What is it?
Do you know what that is?
Can I have a high five?
Oh, there's a spider on your hat. Mum, look. Oh, I didn't mean to kill it. I didn't mean to kill it.
Elijah, careful. No. Whoa, where did you come from? Whoa.
What's that for?
Elijah.
Like, what's
Gentle. Oh. Hi, birdie. Say hi. Blow a kiss for the birdie. Good boy. Say hi, birdie. Oh my God. Can you help me, please? Oh my God.
Is it on Daddy's head?
High five, Elijah. He doesn't care.
Oh,
He's like, he's out of here.
What did Daddy got?
That's so cool.
Oh, no.
Say hi, birdie. Blow a kiss. Another kiss. Good boy.
What's that? Like, oh, it's a birdie. It's a little birdie. Face, look.
Can you blow a kiss for birdie?
The birdie's kiss.
Maybe at the birdie would be.
Leslie, say hi. Hi, birdie.
No, don't. Gentle. We have to be gentle, okay?
Oh my God, it's so cute. Oh, it's nibbling your ear. Oh, Leslie's on your head.
Did you see Elijah? Oh my God. Is that recording? Is that got him? Is that got him? Is that got him? I can't see. He's scared. He's scared.
Yeah, it's alright.
It's okay.
No, Mom's a birdie.
Did I get him?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, the button.
He's scared. He's scared. He's scared.
He got the
Did he? Actually, that's so funny.
He took the button.
Can I have my button back?
Oh, it's the button. I was like, what's on here?
What's that?
It's okay. Daddy got the bird. You find when Medo's not holding him? Yeah. It's too close, I think.
Hey! Hello! That's my hat. You think Elijah wants to walk?
Nan doesn't want to walk.
Ready? Elijah. Choo choo.
It's your bird. I know.
That's okay. Daddy got it. Daddy, you don't need it.
Drop the important one.
Careful you don't choke slam yourself. This way. Silly.
He's in the buggy.
Silly man. So we just finished off at the bird sanctuary and we're off to our resort for the next few days. I can't wait to see the view, but look, Elijah is asleep. He's so cute. Oh my god, my baby boy, and he's got his birdies. Oh.